The biggest financial lie we all grew up with is work hard, save money, retire at 65. That worked okay in the 1980s to 90s, but today, inflation eats savings, salaries barely keep up, and most people never reach comfortable retirement. If you only earn active income, salary, freelance, side hustle, you're on the earn to spend to repeat treadmill. The winners move to the second level. Make money work for you to passive and compound growth. Robert Kiyosaki calls this assets against liabilities. Warren Buffett calls it putting your money in the game. Simple test. Ask yourself, if I stop working tomorrow, does money keep coming in? If no, you're still working for money. If yes, money is working for you. The shift isn't invest more, it's spend less than you earn and make the difference work forever. Pay yourself first, automatically. Before bills, fun, anything, 20 to 30% or even 10% to start goes straight to investments. Why this approach outperforms everything else? It builds discipline automatically, no endless willpower struggles required. It transforms modest, consistent contributions into life-changing wealth through compounding. And it completely removes emotion-driven spending decisions from the equation. For example, if you're 30, earn $4,000 per month, save or invest $500 per month at 8% average return. By 65, you have approximately $1.07 million, mostly from compound interest, not your contributions. 4 practical levels of building wealth. Level 1. Emergency Fund, the foundation. Build 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Why first? Without this safety net, any job loss, emergency, or market downturn forces you to sell investments at the worst possible time, often at a loss. The plan is to reach this level sometime between 6 and 18 months. If you're starting from zero, begin with a smaller $1,000 mini fund as your initial target. Level 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Pay off any debt with interest rates above 7 to 8%. Credit cards, personal loans, and some car loans. Use the debt avalanche method. Focus on the highest interest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Very low-rate debt. For example, a mortgage or student loans under approximately 4 to 5% can reasonably stay in place while you invest, especially if your expected investment return exceeds the interest rate. Level 3. Invest the monthly gap, where your money starts working. Once high-interest debt is gone or under control and your emergency fund is solid, redirect that freed-up cash flow into investments. Best beginner-friendly options: broad market index funds or ETFs, dividend aristocrats or high-quality dividend ETFs, real estate investment trusts or real estate crowdfunding platforms, and max out tax-advantaged retirement accounts first. When you're young, 20s to 40s, 80 to 90% stocks, 10 to 20% bonds. Gradually shift toward more bonds as you age or approach retirement. Level 4. Scale up plus build multiple income streams. Once the foundation is strong, focus on creating additional sources of income so you're not dependent on a single paycheck. Examples include rental properties, physical real estate or digital platforms, online business or digital products, courses, ebooks, software, content, peer-to-peer lending or private credit investments, scalable side hustles or business ownership. The goal is to develop over 3 income streams so that if one disappears or slows down, your lifestyle remains secure. Build in this order for maximum stability and momentum. Most people get faster results and sleep better by following the sequence rather than skipping ahead. Let's make this concrete. If you're 28 years old and manage to invest $2,000 per month, aggressive but achievable with a solid side hustle and some lifestyle cuts. Assuming an average annual return of 9%, compounded monthly, after 10 years approximately $387,000, after 20 years approximately $1.34 million, after 30 years approximately $3.66 million. Even if you start smaller, $200 per month at age 25 and keep it going until 65, you'd still end up with over $936,000 by retirement. Consistency and time are powerful. Even modest amounts can compound into serious wealth when given decades to grow. Your 7-day action plan to build financial freedom. Day 1. Calculate your freedom number. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. Day 2. Track every single expense for 3 days, then use the data to determine your real savings rate. Day 3. Open a high-yield savings account and set up an automatic transfer of 10% of your income into it. Day 4. Pay off your smallest high-interest debt or add the money to your emergency fund if you have no high-interest debt. Day 5. Open a low-cost brokerage account, for example Vanguard, Fidelity or similar, and buy your first index fund. Day 6. Read 20 pages of The Simple Path to Wealth or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Day 7. Share your plan with one friend. Accountability can double your chances of success. You don't need more money to start. You need your current money to start working smarter. The people who win aren't the ones who earn the most. They're the ones who keep and grow what they earn.